I truly believe this website right here is gonna make us millionaires. Ain't no cap in my rap. I'm gonna post some screenshots on here. This is one of my clients. He made $13,000 and this man has 6,000 followers. We're not wasting no time. The website is called Faceless. Let me show you the screen. Oh, before we do that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is gonna blow your mind and it's gonna get you paid. You did! Alright people, so now we have bounced into an amazing website called Faceless. So the way we're gonna be getting paid and all the people are becoming millionaires is by TikTok shop. And before you think it's cap, let me show you. You see right here, it says what? Americans spend an estimated of $7 million per day shopping on TikTok. Now I want you to realize this study was from 2022. So 2022 is when we were spending $7 million a day on TikTok. In 2023, there was an estimated $33 million spent on TikTok. You hear me? So this tool, Faceless, has everything we need. And what I'm going to do is walk you through some of the ways I've been using it. I'm going to show you some of the ways I've been using it. I'm going to show you some of my clients. And I'm going to show you some people that are actually making actual money. Millionaires, bro. And you can start this today. And if you stay tuned to the whole video, not only that, I will show you how you can get 7-day trial, and you can even get a discount when using my code, okay? So when you come over here to Faceless, there will be a button in the top right for you to upgrade the website so it can look this amazing and this clean. So let me just give you a quick walkthrough. Over here on the left, you're going to be able to see the breakdowns of all of the sections. You see, you can even go to live, and this will show you the people that go live on TikTok and make sales. We'll get into that later. The different products, the creators, shop, ads. Yeah, you can make ads on here as well. Yeah, you heard me say it. Video clips, favorites, all these things. All right, so we see the left side. And now what I want you to do is focus your attention on the center of the screen. I live in America, but you can sort this by wherever you like. So these are the US-based products. Now, if you already have a product, like my client, Wisdom and Wellness, you see they already have these supplements. And so I enjoy the product itself. So we've listed their products on TikTok shop. Now, you can list your own products on TikTok shop, or you can go right over here and sell the things that already exist on TikTok shop. And I know y'all gonna be asking, well, how much money makes what? What's the highest selling thing? What type of thing should I be selling? I got you. So when you go right here to the revenue rank, you can see what the units sold, what made the most money, and it's breaking it down by product. You see, a lot of them are supplements. And then we go to what? Order rank. What has the most orders? The most money in orders. Look at this. You see a drawer has made almost $70,000 a fucking drawer. And then the most promoted products, you see, it'll rank those as well. You can see the trending e-commerce lives. Now, this is crazy. Do you understand the power of this tool? You can literally go right here without even doing anything. We've just been scrolling, and you see 12,000 followers this person had, but they sold 400 units, bro. 400 things. Now, you can do this double time. Now, what I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can monetize this. Now, you see another 127,000 followers, and they made $4,000. And then another person has 86,000 followers and made $21,000 by going live. And as you see, they're live right now. It's ridiculous. Okay. Whereas creator rank, I mean, this tool is so packed. So I want to show y'all some of the things, if you're looking for inspiration, you can scroll to the bottom. Some of the ways we use it. Okay. So first, let me show you my client's page. Okay. So my client's name is Wisdom and Wellness. And one of the things we've been doing to earn money is posting. So you see here, there's a lot of dope posts. Everything very beautiful, very themed out. You hear me? And obviously the views are going up. We'll be able to get many more views. But the focus of this page is brand awareness. So you see 2,400 followers. When we got it, it wasn't quite cracking 1,000 followers, and we're already up on that. The engagement rate's looking amazing. But the main thing I want to show you is this. So when you look on the screen right now, you're seeing a screenshot of them being on TikTok shop. Screen recording of them being on TikTok shop. Now, all of their products are live on TikTok shop. Do you understand that? So since they're live, that means people can purchase them. And the way we got them on there is simple, bro. You go through the TikTok seller link. It's simple. You can sign up to be a seller or a creator, free. Everything's going to be on there. Now, when you're listing your products, what I want you to understand is we're in blessed position because some of the highest selling products are supplements. In fact, we just got a sell today. Look at the screen. Okay, so this is our first sell, and we just started listing the things on here a day ago. So what I'm saying is, you can either list your own products and supplements like we've done with Wisdom and Wellness, and the amazing packaging, huh? Look at that camera focus. Wow, ooh ah. Or you can go ahead and sell shit that's already on here. So one of the ways you can do it is by when you look at our page, the client's page, we use Faceless videos, okay? So this video right here is about the supplement, but you will never see the face of my client. You understand? You will never see the face of my client, but the video is broken down and doing amazing. You see, we got plenty of comments and engagement. So one way that you're going to monetize is by making your videos, and I use a tool called Asa. You can use Syllabi. There's so many dope tools that help you make faceless content. So you're going to first start making faceless videos by typing in the script, and I can go into depth on that in another video. But making videos on your own and posting them on your page, on your TikTok, is one way that you're going to be able to monetize because you can promote your own products. Now, let me show you my favorite way and the next way, and this is how you're going to get the riches. Watch this. So when you see over here on the left, you see there's a section that's called Creator. I click Creator, right? And I click E-commerce Creator. So I'm focused on e-com because we are selling e-com products, a product that can be sold electronically online and is drop ships where we never have to touch it. Okay, so you can set up your Shopify and everything on the back end. And when you load this up, Fastmoss breaks everything down. You see all these creators pop up, right? And I know you looking at it like, what the hell does this mean? I'm finna tell you. So it shows you everybody's broken down by their country or region. And then you can see how many products have they promoted. This girl right here, Katrina, 130 products. And if you think I'm capping, brother, she made $40,000 off of this. $40,000. Now, if you want, you can break it down by the people that have made the most. You can sort it by people who made the least, people who made the most. And Katrina's cooking with hot grease, okay? So you can see the promoted products. And if you want to go to the top, you can even break it down by women's wear, men's wear, whatever category you like to find out what product should you be selling. I'm telling you, the supplements are going crazy. And even you can sign up to sell our supplements or whatever supplement you want, okay? Or my client supplements, huh? Okay, so let's click Katrina and see how she was doing this. Now, I'm going to tell you something about Katrina you need to know. You scroll down here, Katrina's a millionaire. That's point blank, period. I'm not going back and forth with y'all. Katrina then made $1 million on here. You hear me? A whole emblem on here. Now, you can see the breakdown, $400,000. She made $1 million off going live on TikTok. I had a person tell me that TikTok doesn't mean shit. It's not going to amount to anything. You believe what you want. She made over $1 million here. And you scroll down, you can see some of the data, the followers gained, how much stuff she sold. You can see even what gender were the people she sold from, what city, country, state did they live in, what was the age of them. Bro, it's amazing. And then look at this. This is my favorite part. You are going to win because you use this tool. You don't know what videos to make, right? Guess what? She just showed you. You go right here and you see, okay, what videos did she make money on that did she get views on, right? And then you can click it, and guess what happens? It'll pop the video up. And the fact that you can literally click her video and see what she made is heat. You hear me? You can watch the exact video on her TikTok of what she made to get the sales. You can see it in broad daylight, bro. This is amazing. So you're going to be looking at different creators, right? And you're going to come over here and you're going to get your ideas. And then you're going to be able to see who you're going to be selling to because it shows you right here. You're going to see how much money the person made so you know who the hell to follow. You're not just the blind leading the blind. And you can see right here from going live. And if you want to contact this person, watch this. You click her links. All of her social medias are here, right? And you can find your favorite creators on the side, right? And you can contact these people. Now, the dopest thing about this, the most amazing thing I found about this is that these people that are on here that are creators, they are interested in being affiliate marketers. You don't have to pay them upfront money. So imagine if you had the blueprint of the viral videos for the products you want to sell, you can make them on your own. That's one way. You can either do it faceless or you can make it how Katrina and others are doing it. Make it, smile, do your thing, and sell the products that way. 2, you seen the person that I'm working with, he only has 6,000 followers and made 13,000. And the next thing is that these products already exist on the internet, and you can get these people to make videos for your company. I mean, even look at my DM. I've been DMing people, and some people are responding back to what I sent them, and they want to start engaging and making content for us. So you can contact these people. You can, all of their contact information, their social media, their email. I mean, hell, even their Instagram is up here. You can contact these people. So what I suggest you do is use this amazing ass tool, right? And every day what you're going to do is, you know what, actually on Monday what you're going to do is you're going to sit and you're going to research what are some videos you should make. What is the product that's selling the most? It's probably a supplement. Now, once you decide whether you're going to source a supplement, if you have one already, or you're going to get one that already exists here, you can sign up on TikTok Shop to be a seller, okay? You're going to make content. Simple as that. They already showed you what kind of content to make that's the most popular, that's the most viral. It can be done on this rectangle cell phone that you watch OnlyFans on every day, huh? Now, you're going to be making content. That's going to be cooking. So you're already selling the most popular products. It's going to bring you sales. Then simultaneously, what you're going to do is every day, you're going to DM maybe 20 people from these lists, okay? From the top creators making the most sales in your niche. You pick your niche. You pick the top 20 creators and you're going to DM them. Now you can DM them on Instagram. I suggest DM them on Instagram. Hitting them up with an email, hitting them up on TikTok. Because on TikTok, a lot of people do not answer, okay? There's a thing on there where most people don't even see your message unless they follow you. So I suggest doing whatever you got to do to get in contact with them. But the good news is there's so many of these people. And when you get in contact with them, you already see what they doing, bro. They already cooking with hot grease. I mean, this lady's already made $1 million. Shout out to Karen. Look at you, Karen, huh? So this tool is called Fast Moss. And if this video gets 500 likes, I will make another in-depth, step-by-step video of how I listed my client on TikTok Shop, what numbers we're selling, how you can sign up to actually start selling our products or whoever's products. I will make an in-depth Fast Moss video, step-by-step, if this video gets 500 likes. But if you need any of the tools here, what I'm going to do is, as promised, I'm going to give you this website for free. You get a 7-day trial, you hear me? And then I'm also going to give you a discount when you use my code. I'll put all the information you need in the description. Everything you need is right here, bro. Shout out to Fast Moss. This product is amazing. The tool is fucking amazing. I suggest you go check these people out ASAP. Follow them on Instagram and stay up to date with this, man. I'm telling y'all, this tool, this website right here, the same amount of money you're going to spend. I know you're about to blow your income taxes. You're about to go buy a bunch of jewelry and clothing or whatever else. I'm telling you, just think about it. This ain't financial advice. But if you want to invest in yourself, you already on TikTok scrolling. You already mindlessly on the internet each and every day scrolling, doing nothing, right? What if you can be on there and for the price of, I don't know, you order the product, I don't know, the price of lunch. You order these and you make a video that can change your life. Karen is eating, huh? Karen made $1 million. Katrina made $1 million. What you gonna do? Y'all let me know what y'all think of this video in the comments, and let me know what you are gonna sell on TikTok Shop. If you want to sell on TikTok Shop, comment TikTok on this video. Other than that, I love you. I'm finna go smoke something good, man, and keep running up these bags. My goal is to make $100,000 a month. However we need to do that, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna keep bringing you amazing videos. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell your auntie and your sister I said what up. Until next time, stay lit, stay awesome, stay healthy. Oh yeah, and follow Wisdom and Wellness. Unit!